is our dinner. It's adobo baboy. This one is marinated chicken to fry. See this one? And this is my food now. You see? It's a tinulang manok with papaya and murunggay leaves. You see? And of course, dili jud mawala ang ginamos. This is the ginamos. With chuka. Ginamos for me and sabaw chicken. Adobong baboy pata. And later again this one, the fried chicken. That's all.